Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a short, actionable plan, list modules, and assign weeks and hours. Start reading one core Anatomy Atlas chapter and open a 3D app to match structures. This builds visual memory. Once done, schedule daily 50 to 90-minute focused blocks with 10 to 15-minute breaks so you avoid fatigue. Make sure to prepare one set of high-yield notes and flashcards after each block. This converts passive reading into active recall and sets you up for deeper practice. You now move into layered study. Skim for big ideas, then dive into structure and function, and finally connect to clinical cases so concepts stick. Practice active recall with flashcards and spaced repetition. Quiz yourself until you struggle and then review. Make sure to alternate modalities, text, diagrams, 3D models, and lab images because varied input strengthens neural pathways. Once you can explain a system aloud and locate its parts on a model, you've turned facts into usable knowledge for clinical practice. You finish by synthesizing. Write one-page summaries per system and teach them to a peer, because teaching exposes gaps. Then simulate exam conditions with timed multiple-choice and short-answer questions that are clinically framed to test application. If progress stalls, diagnose the weak topics and deploy targeted micro-sessions of 20 to 30 minutes or get focused tutoring. This is your troubleshooting tip. Make sure to review errors immediately and adjust your spaced repetition schedule so weak items appear more often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.